My fellow Sierra Leoneans, this na una pikin Basharaka. So today I get a very important message from me fambu them, and the message is that how we go ensure political neutralism in the civil service. How we go see say the civil servant then they need try in terms of politics. And the other thing I want to talk about today back now the public service commissioner. So now then two things then I want to talk about. Tomorrow likely I will come with the police force, within their duty, within their responsibility. But for now, let's take this. I get 1 5-minute song I want to play for everybody, every Sierra Leoneans. Don't get it twisted. This is Basharaka.
Wow, wow, wow. Wote, alaji kiwi miao. Nyami ago piabo. Yongo go timi age go mago jewani. Nyalo le mafiji unyani binyani go nyama. Gadre gaga pama. Nyanga takbaji konga takobla nyama. Sele go foni tabla sekbe ketele ganyama. Nami anawi fuile ni nyama. Kego wa kenema gego deve ma kego gwa du mama. Sele pidi weni ke mujo kwa pebu. Nyao ga ufede vago ma komo bojiwe na. Kenya punya mwenga ya hai memia ga ya memi. Nane me de hai wo. Dole la hai ma o ya hai ma bele hai. Hai memia ga ya memi. Nane me de hai wo. Dole la hai ma o ya hai ma bele hai. Ya goli vela ga ndanga we kolo go menjima. Ye konga lona ye tutogalela ke tukwa ukwanwe ke hai memia. Ye konga lona ye tutogalela ke tijigago ke hai memia. Ye konga lona ye tudiwe gale ye de voto timiale tamagale. Tamagale de voto timiale o tamagale. Senya logwa meji fage se blanya ha. Bigi we bagova gegba ha. Famu fesele fivlo nya ma ge mu fesele. Ye famu fesele o fivlo nya ma ye mu fesele. Kenya punya mwenga ye hai memia ga ya memi. Nane me de hai wo. Dole la hai ma o ya hai ma bele hai. Hai memia ga ya memi. Nane me de hai wo. Dole la hai ma o ya hai ma bele hai. Keni makono hai memia. Baila hukuja hai memia. Bonti makeni hai memia. Karina falaba hai memia. Kwa budama hai memia. Falawando hai memia. Doma SB hai memia. Kena sibe hai memia. BRU hai memia. By no by hai memia. Mashalati hai memia. Black Gazigi hai memia. Soundtech DJ hai memia. Commander Sino hai memia. Gashon the hits me hai memia. Suleiman Sano hai memia. And the Huma Babu hai memia. Amia Jawoma.
Hello, my family, and this now na pikin again Basharaka. So today, this topic is very important, but tomorrow young will be very sweet. Where they talk about the police them, where like Boku people will be interested in. But today, some of the things that we will make the police for some of the things that we will make civil servant them stay neutral. One of them thing and then number one we will take today the law that stipulates that civil servants that want to participate in politics should first resign their appointment with the civil servant should be maintained and strictly enforced. So the law where they say any civil service servant you want for participate in politics, if you resign from a job, then you go. And then law then the law will be enforced. That go make now one thing that the way go make civil servant then stay neutral for do the work then. Number two is that the tenure of office of the civil servant from the highest to the lowest hierarchy should be made permanent unless the person resign, retire, forcefully remove from office. So with the watch the job of the civil servant then for become permanent that on no account like politician we will remove them or retire them. Or past the time reach for retire or then resign or then come out from office. So that's where we help civil servants them for where they stay neutral. Number 3 is that retirement into the civil servant service should be based on merits, not on political base. So I say, okay, recruitment into the civil service should be based on merit, not political. So for recruit people, then for work under the civil service, for be on merits, that if they ask for any certificate, like would I get a go day, not on political base for say become mina green, mina red, mina this. No, it for be on how the person the qualification, not to like outing at the person in connection with the politics. Okay, number 4 is that ministerial posts should not be made political appointment, and therefore ministers or commissioners should not be politician but technocrat. So people them wey dem dey work as ministers them in various ministry, they not for be say na the president for choose them, but if for be say na based on the wetin dem sabi for make them be there. Like we dey see find out bokus thing the way they happen. Possible go you don't go study about agriculture, then they can put on a Ministry of Information. Possible don't go study about information, then go put under Ministry of work. So a lot of things then they happen. So like then thing then they for where the civil service be neutral, therefore make na based on merit, not based on political appointment. So that way will help the civil service for be neutral. Number 5, working condition in the civil service should be improved so that civil servants should not be lured into politics. Political laziness. So because of that, the service them of civil servant then they need for improve so that they not go into politics or they not go lazy with any political party, because one they pay them fine and other service then they so they not go able left them job them for weeks time for any other thing. Number 6, political interference into the civil service should be discontinued. The civil service should be given free hand to run its affair. So the civil servant then therefore give them free hand for make them run their affair. Political interference into the office of the civil service or the civil service there, if will be therefore take the hand off. That go able to make the civil servant the work neutrally for everybody. An independent number 6, number 7, an independent body that should be responsible for the employment, promotion, discipline, and dismissal of civil servants should be set up to free civil servants from the manipulation of the politicians. So, independent body for the way in the dismiss civil servant there, the one for na the same one go there for employ them, promote discipline among civil servants for see say they able do the work there. Not that go make them able free from any political intimidation. So like we come to the Public Service Commissioner. This is a quick one. The Public Service Commissioner is an independent body set up by the government charged with the responsibility to employing, promoting, discipline, and dismissal civil servants. This body that is made up of a chairman and some other members are appointed by the president or governor for a period of 5 years. So this is an independent body where they put for say for the charge of the responsibility for say they able take civil servant then they able to say how them go able discipline them for way they not make, and that independent body they then go day back for say you able employ them back. So within are some of them rule. Then the then the employment, that they give employment to civil servants, then that they promote employment. This the public civil commissioner is charged with the responsibility of recruiting high-level manpower to the civil service through competitive exam and oral. So then they make exam on oral through competition, so that get the job and get another by political promotion. It is the duty of the commissioner to promote civil servants of top echelon with who are due for promotion. So like the people that when they I always say them do for promotion, now them for promoter, and the promotion not for be political based, but if for be top icon, then way them for promote than them for promote discipline. The civil service commissioner is vested with the power to take discipline action against against civil servants who fall the general order. So like civil servant that when they take order, and then charged with the responsibility for say where them go able for discipline them. Then the other thing again is transfer. The transfer of civil servants from one ministry to another within the civil service is done by the public service commissioner. So the public service commissioner and M48 say transfer civil servants from one ministry to another, and not for be by political way. Now that go make neutralism there in the civil service. Retirement. The civil servant who have attained the stipulated retirement age are formally retired by the commissioner. So now that commissioner then for responsible for retire them back. So dismissal, the civil now then for responsible back for dismiss any civil servant where they no say they misbehave. Efficiencies, the commissioner promote and maintain efficiencies and integrity of the civil service. So the integrity, the efficiencies, how then the work now them for they in charge of that. Condition of service, they all the commission of service now them for make and it give advice. Now them back they give advice. So now thank you very much. This now then thing that they need for be done for where civil service there, then stay neutral. For what we see say civil servant they're not there inside politics. If then thing then they do, because all of them thing that they were read, so they're all na politician then they handle their side, and if then thing then they be independent and there is a body way they watch at that, we go see a better Sierra Leone, we will see a better civil servant. But if you the civil servant and then a politician, you need to expect for where you will do the right thing. So now thank you very much. This now na picking Basharaka. Now thank you.
Hi memia, baby jaya oh. Hi memia, girl my mama. Hi memia.
Cash on the hit maker.
Hi memia, yeah memi. Nande me hi oh. Dorela hi ma oh yeah my girl yeah. Hi memia, yeah memi.